Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about what is prefabrication, components and connections of prefabrications, also advantages and disadvantages of prefabrication. Let me introduce myself. My name is Vinay, and if you are visiting my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also please stay with me till the end. There is a bonus tip for you all. Let's start the video. So what is prefabrication? Prefabrication is the practice of assembling components of a structure in a factory or other manufacturing site and transporting the materials to actual site, then erected according to the plan. So why prefabrication is needed? Prefabrication is a modern construction process that is growing in popularity that enables time and cost saving, quality control and more eco-friendly construction process. Let us discuss about prefabrication building components and their connections. Columns. A column is a vertical member carrying the beam, a compression member, and therefore column connection is required to be proper. The main principle involved in making column connection is to ensure continuity. Also next one, beam. Beams are vary in their complexity of design and reinforcement, from the very simple beam formed over an isolated opening to the more common encountered in frames where the beams transfer the loading to the column. Methods of connecting beam and column are precasting. Concrete haunch is cast on the column with a locating dowel or stud bolt to fix the column. A projecting metal corbel is fixed to the column and beam is bolted to the corbel. Next one, it is a slab. Here this component is resist on the beams and transfer the load directly to the beam. They are laid in grid pattern. These units are cast in molds. The saving achieved is not much. Also shuttering are complicated and costly. Prefabrication is done in two stages: manufacturing at the factory condition and erection of components at the required location. So the major steps involved in the processing are casting, curing, transportation and erection. First we talk about casting. Precast components are casted with controlled cement concrete in molds of required shapes and sizes. Here the reinforcement is placed before pouring concrete. Next, curing. This curing will be done for at least 3 days and further it will be cured after erecting these components at the site. Next, transportation and erection. After this 3 period, the components are transported to the site with heavy trucks and erection will be done using cranes with skilled laborers. So now we have seen the process and the components of prefabrication. Let us discuss about advantages and disadvantages. Advantages: saving in cost, material, time and manpower. Shuttering and scaffolding is not necessary, independent of weather condition, possibility of alterations and reuse. Disadvantages are difficulty in connecting precast units so as to produce same effect as monolithic, so this leads to non-monolithic construction. High transportation cost, skilled labor and supervision is required. After this discussion, we may conclude that in India, construction industry, in spite of its expansion, continues to adopt the same conventional methods. The root of economic problem is the fact that majority of households do not have the confidence needed to construct prefab houses. These structures are easy to erect. This type of prefab buildings were constructed in earthquake-prone areas of Lachur and Gujarat. As I have mentioned, there is a bonus notes for all of you. Just click the link given in the description below and download the notes. Also please don't forget to subscribe my channel.